Sport Malawi is about utilising the power of sport to engage people in Malawi. We've been going for about 12 years. We've engaged over probably 500 Malawian participants, 400 university students. We've won some external awards, which has been great. But for us, the real success of Sport Malawi has been the impact on the university students and the Malawians themselves. The students are really encouraged to engage with their local community to build their kind of fundraising total of about £1,500 every year. It's open to all students at the university, from law students and health and social care students, sports students and performing arts students.
For me, I've never really been out of my comfort zone. I've always kind of been on holidays with the family and etc. But it was never that far and away from my parents for a month and to be with totally different people that I don't really know. So I didn't really know what I was going to experience out there, but for me it was just an amazing experience.
We did 3 workshops, so one workshop on outreach, another one on sports coaching, and then another one on education.
I led the sports coaching workshop. What we wanted to achieve and what we set out before was definitely achieved. We could see the clear development from like when we started the workshop on the first day to when we finished on the 4th day.
Going into it, I was absolutely petrified. I was like, will it go well? Like, I don't know how I'm going to fit in. Am I going to miss home? The whole group has said that I've had like the biggest transformation. I'm a lot more confident. I speak my mind a lot more.
I've definitely made some friends for life. The thing is, I've no use of phones, couldn't contact home, you know, we only have 1 hour of Wi-Fi a week. What you got there was just yourself and the other students and the staff members, so it means that you have to talk. We played endless games of cards. There was times where in the evenings it'd get dark early and we just sat outside looking at the stars. It's honestly an amazing experience and you'll meet friends for life and, you know, definitely like a second family.